Hi there, students. To yammer, to yammer, a verb. A yammering, I guess, as a noun. Okay, to yammer. We use this when somebody is talking for a long time in a way that's annoying and they're just going on and on and on. So very often to yammer on, to yammer about something. So it was a lovely summer's day and I was in class and the teacher was yammering on. Yeah. And I just wasn't listening. Okay. So to yammer, to talk incessantly about something. He's always yammering about his hobby, even though nobody is ever listens to him. And then you can go further than that and you can use it for a loud noise that's repetitive. So for example, there was a jackhammer yammering outside, going on and on and on. Yeah, making this loud repetitive noise. I've got a terrible headache and my head is yammering. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so it's going on and on doing it. It's got this idea of persistence. Yeah. If somebody's um moaning about something, they keep yammering on about their problems. Okay, so a loud, consistent complaint. Look, just stop yammering and suck it up. Yeah, so to yammer, to whine, to moan, to complain. Yeah, in a peevish way. Yeah, to complain and go on. So the kids were yammering about the fact that I hadn't bought them any sweets today. Come on. Yeah. So to yammer, yeah, to complain about something or to this loud noise, this incessant noise again and again and again, to repeat on and on and on. Yeah. The yammering noise of the machinery in the factory meant it was very difficult to hear what anybody was saying. So let's see. To yammer, to talk persistently and boringly, loudly, maybe complaining about something that is generally of not much interest to everyone else. But yeah, it's your passion. Yeah, so you're talking at length about something that's just annoying other people. Yeah. Um, I listened to the debate in Parliament, but the politicians just seem to be yammering on with their point of view. So to talk foolishly and incessantly. Yeah. And then something that goes on and on, particularly something that's loud and repetitive. If you've ever driven a long way, the yammering of the engine gets into your head. Yeah. So it's like a sustained, loud, repetitive noise. The yammer of the builders downstairs was driving me crazy. Yeah. Okay, so to yammer. Formality. I would say this is fairly informal. I think I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. So use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation. I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, there's an old English word, Miran, to lament about something. Yeah, so to be sad about this. We've got a Proto-Germanic word, Jamaraz, to be miserable or sad, from Proto-Indo-European, Yem, to defeat. Okay, so this word actually goes back quite a long way. So to yammer, to talk on and on about boring stuff. Yeah, to repeat something loudly or complain on and on about something, or something that's making a loud repetitive noise. My head is yammering. I need it to take an aspirin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Yammer.